Alright, I'm back, and today we're gonna be installing these. I got these a while back. I just literally never have time to install them, and today I'll go ahead and install them and replace these I have here, which I plastic dipped a while ago. My only trouble is when I did install these, I put a ton of double-sided tape, and I don't have much materials other than alcohol, this screwdriver, it's a flathead, and then I have a hair dryer, and I'm also gonna be replacing the back one. And my issue with this one is I plastic dipped the entire thing, which was a mistake of mine, but at the same time I never expected to take it off. So I just came back from driving, so this is slightly warm. I'm gonna still go ahead and warm it up a little more. Hopefully I don't break it. I'd like to keep them, but we'll see what happens. So first I'm gonna start off with trying to heat it up a little. So this one was way easier than I thought it'd be. It came out pretty clean. There's not much residue left on the surface it was on. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surface off with alcohol. This is just alcohol I poured into a spray bottle, and a clean wipe real quick. And I do have a little suction cup I'm gonna place it here. That way I don't have to rely on my fingers to place it on. So let me get that real quick. So I went ahead and get this little suction cup. I forgot where it came from. I believe it was from a screen protector I applied on a phone, or it was a screen protector I put on the car screen. I honestly forgot, but it's gonna come in really useful. So now I'm gonna just go ahead, place it on here, and I'll be able to hold it like this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give it one more wipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this backing. Now I'll go ahead and heat it up, and then I'll apply it onto the car. On the blue tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, even though, like I said, I feel secure enough with the double-sided tape, but extra precautions. You still have this one to put on. Let me turn the car back around, and I'll get to start removing the old and in with the new. So like I did mention before, my concern with this one is that I plastic dipped the entire thing, including the surface of the car, which was my biggest mistake. There's nothing I can do about it now. I'll see how this turns out. My first focus will be to remove the actual emblem itself, then I'll go along with removing the plastic dip. Go ahead and spray some alcohol to hopefully loosen up the plastic dip and some of the residue that's left in the car. The blue tape will just make sure it does stay on. So that pretty much includes the install and removal. I don't know if I should place these somewhere. Maybe I'll figure it out someday. I don't know. And that's for the front ones. So as soon as I feel comfortable enough to peel off the blue tape, I'll get some after shots, and that'll conclude today.